Any questions on that? I can go back to it if you need me to. Any questions at all on plugging in that number -1 and how to know like which one to plug it into? It's either going to be F or G, and the directions are going to tell you. All right, so let's go down to the next one. So this next one here, yes, Angel, you're going to put what you get when it comes out. Yeah, so like if we finish that one, we plugged in. Okay, so remember it's f of -1. So this is for you too, Jocelyn. This is f of -1. Okay, so the f tells us to use this equation. The -1 tells us what number to plug in. Okay, so we plug in the -1, 4 in, and now we have to simplify. 8 times -1 is -8. But then we have to do -8 minus 3. And so that should be -11.